Graphics is the simplest way to create really cool content for your visuals. Now, obviously this is a YouTube thumbnail that I'm creating. This element is already animated from the Elements tab when I search Canva, but I want some of these to fly in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight which portion of my design I want to animate, and you're going to go to animate, and here are all of the different animations that you can add to it. You can put your cursor over it and see what it all entails and how you want it to come in. So you can do it that way. You can also add motion effects. So this one I would love for that. Let's say I want my words to come in on the screen. Another cool way is once again have all the different types of elements that could come in, or you could go to create your own element, and all you're going to do actually is grab the element you want and you're going to create your own animation, and it sets it and you're good to go. And that's it. Press done. You can now download this. You could share it how you need to do, but that's how you add an animated effect to whatever visual you want. These are great for story reels, for YouTube videos like this, to really whatever you want, especially even if you're creating a presentation, you'll want to do this.